Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about the works of the 2024 Nobel Laureates in Physics. What did they do in a very easy way so that everybody can understand what they did, what did they propose. First I'm going to talk about Professor Geoffrey Hinton, what he did, what he proposed. First of his work, one of his work is backpropagation algorithm. What did it propose? Backpropagation algorithm works on cause and effect. That means if I do this thing, then I'll get this desired output. First of all, I'll assume that if I do this, I'll get this particular outcome, right? Now, after doing this, if I don't get that particular outcome, then what we do? We change the way we did the things in the first, right? So we change the way we did things, right? That means we are back propagating, we are coming back and we are changing the way the things that we did. That means if we study hard, then we are going to get a very good grade, right, in the exams. But if we don't get the desired grade, then what we do? We change the way we studied, we change the way we prepared. This is the way we back propagate and we change the things. Okay, this is actually the fundamental of back propagation algorithm, right? So next I will talk about Professor John Hopfield's work, that is based on that is actually based on networks. I mean, that is kind of a unsupervised learning technique. What is this? I'll talk about that. Now, if there is a pattern, and within that pattern, if there is one that is not matching with the pattern, that means that is odd one out, then what we do, what Professor Hopfield proposed is that we change the element which is not matching with the pattern actually. Okay, so that is how the Hopfield network works. It finds out the odd one out and changes that thing. That is how it detects the error and it changes, right? This is the work of Hopfield, right? Another work that I should talk about is AlexNet. I mean, the work of Professor Geoffrey Hinton. The name of the work is AlexNet. This architecture of CNN, this architecture of convolutional neural network, won the 2020 ImageNet challenge and subsequently published a paper on this topic. This is a very much sophisticated challenge, a competition where the winner and the runner publishes their papers, their findings in reputed journals, right? So in 2020 in 2012, a scholar named Alex won that challenge, and his guide was this guy, Professor Geoffrey Hinton, right? So what did it propose? It actually worked on the convolution. That means the way we see things, the way we visualize things, right? It actually, the convolutional neural network itself actually mimics the ways our brain receives the signal, the image signals that we see. It mimics the signal, right? So there are two fundamental blocks of convolutional neural networks. One is convolution and another one is pooling. Okay, this guy Alex first proposed that we may use convolution plus pooling for some layers, but this guy proposed that we may also use convolution, after that convolution, after that convolution, after that convolution, and that means a stack of convolution. Okay, generally previously it was used like that, convolution plus pooling, but now he proposed that convolution plus convolution plus convolution will do the things. So this worked, and for that he actually won that ImageNet 2012 challenge. That paper also I will share the link of the paper in the description. Okay, thank you everybody.